Hello pals, welcome to today's video tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to steal an emoji from your Facebook Messenger or from a Facebook contact. Okay, stealing an emoji, actually the title is not really stealing an emoji, it's actually downloading a particular emoji that someone sent to you to your own emoji drawer. So now to do this, go ahead and open your Facebook Messenger wherever you have it located on your phone. Once you open the Facebook Messenger, so I have this friend that sent an emoji to me. So if anybody sent an emoji to you, you can easily emulate that particular emoji and download it to your own emoji drawer. So it's taking a while to load because the network is a bit slow, so I'm going to pause this video and allow it to load. So that's the emoji I want to grab. So now if you see an emoji you want to grab, just go ahead and click on the emoji and wait for it to load. Once the emoji loads, you can notice it's going to show you a download option. Just go ahead and select the download option and it's going to be downloaded. So once you download it, once you click on it, it's going to download, and once it's downloaded you can make use of the emoji. And if you notice, initially I don't have this emoji, I just downloaded it now by clicking on the person's emoji. So that's how to grab an emoji and make it yours. So it's more like stealing an emoji from the person that sent it to you. So that's how to do this. Hopefully you guys understand. If you don't, please leave a comment below and I will follow up. Thank you for watching. Make sure you leave your comment below and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. See you some other time.